Hi there, welcome back to French Shaves. It's Sunday and it's time for a classic shave tonight. We're gonna go with Mitchell's Wolfette. Some claims they struggle to lather it. I have no issues. That said, I once had a bad puck with Mitchell's and I thought I struggled to lather it. It just went airy. But I was sent a new puck and this one lathers like a treat, and it's in the old formula, the tallow base, which is no longer possible to get the hands of. Gonna use the classic Mühle silvertip fibre knot, 23mm, and for razor we're gonna go with my Blackland Vector stainless steel machine finished, and I'm pretty sure it's a 4th use feather pro guard. So I have the soap blooming or soaking in some hot water here. It's a hard puck, and it has dried out so much that it has just cracked up in pieces into my ceramic bowl here. So I'm gonna take the bloom water and empty it out without emptying out the soap, like so. So that is what it looks like. This is super duper slick. It's very long time since I've used the Mitchells, so it has dried out quite a bit. And then I just take my brush and go straight to loading, and I always like to load heavy. I load usually heavier with Mitchell's than with other soaps, and it starts out really kind of airy and foamy, and you have to beat it into submission on the face. So I hope all you have been having a nice weekend. Season starts for me with the running. First race of the season today. It was pretty good. It was okay weather, not super warm, but quite ideally running circumstances actually. I think we were mid-40s and our clouded. You can see this thing is just making a foamy mess in here. I think we're gonna try to go with that load. And then I try to kind of get out all this proto foam, because this actually is more like foam than actual lather to start out with. And then I will try my best to rinse out this bowl without losing the soap. Like so. Putting that aside. Rinsing the hands, which is super duper slick. And then add some water. And now the trick is to just work this foam on the face. No adding water too early with Mitchell's. It starts out really foamy and actually a little bit dissipating, but you just have to use quite more painting motions than many other soaps. And this one will lathers like a treat. I do not like the short stubby handle. Throwing lather everywhere. So I'm just painting until the kind of foam starts to get a little bit more pasty. Maybe like that. and then we add water gradually. And the trick for me then is just to add a little bit paint, and then add some more, and I just keep doing this until the paste turns transparent, and then I know it's time to spray the brush and mix. So a little bit different take than how I usually do it. It's pretty much transparent now. Let's spray. And work it. I have another STF knot from Mühle, and that one is 25mm, and it's quite a big difference between that one and this one. This one is a lot more springy and it doesn't feel near as dense. I don't know if it's a newer batch. This one is quite old, close to 10 years. And the other one I got is probably around maybe 2 at the most. So as you can see, this is starting to take shape. That said, Witch's Wolfsfat blows up quite a lot. It's not as kind of low structure that many of the newer artisan soaps. It's a little bit of a different lather, but it's super sleek, and the post-shave feel is superb. And I'm making a mess of all over myself, as per usual. Oops. I once had a clean t-shirt. It's not clean anymore. And Mitchell's is actually quite hard to rinse off the fingers. It's so damn slick. This knot doesn't hold a lot of lather either. It kind of just starts throwing it around at a really early stage. You can see this lather is curving up. Okay. So it can take quite a bit of water, but you need to be a little careful not adding too much at a time. And I should have picked another brush with this soap. I realize that now, but it was this brush turn in the rotation, so yeah. Oop. nice peaks on that lather now. Then I will go a little bit careful with the water additions. And I think we are very soon there. Yeah, you can see what I mean. This lather's like a treat. And then I will go one last addition, just to calm it down a little bit, and getting a touch more shine to it. There we go, look. Yeah, that's your Mitchell's wool fat, so really creamy. It's not the densest kind of lathers, but it's a really creamy lather without being kind of airy. And it's super duper slick, but it feels lighter on the skin than many of the new artisan soaps. Okay, first pass with the grain, 1 day of growth. That's really nice. I mean, look at that lather. Let's see if she falls. Actually not as heavy. I really enjoy the vector under the nose. It's so nimble. It's a really smooth yet efficient razor. Really smooth. Very slick soap. Very good residual slickness on Mitchell's. It's a classic in the Wetshaving. I don't know why they changed the formula. Because their old formula was really, really good. Yeah. Superb first pass. Yeah, look at those peaks. Nice lather there. Painting carefully with this brush, not to throw away all the lather. You can see the lather is much more kind of calmed down now on the second pass, or second application, so to speak. Really nice nimble razor. I have heard that the chick P30 shall be really nice with this razor. I have never tried any other Feather Artist club blades than the Feather Pro Guard and the Feather Professionals. Really intuitive shaving angle as well on the vector. Okay. Much more dry lather now, but we're gonna use it right as it is. I could have added water and re-agitated and blowed up this one, but all I'm looking for now is the slickness. And it's plenty slick. Think I got me on the lower neck. I'm not sure. We will see if there's blood. The aftershave tonight is high on alcohol, so it will tell the truth if I did a good job. The scent on Mitchell's Wolfat is just a clean, soapy kind of scent. Yeah, I think we're gonna call it good there. The residual thickness is so freaking good. It's just as my face is covered in fat and oils. Going down for a cold water rinse, see if I can rinse off this slick craziness. No way, it's still slick as crazy. No way I can wash away that. And the initial position feed is very good with Mitchell's. Okay, aftershave time, classic one. Williams Aqua Velva. Alcohol, menthol, and a nice, fresh, old school scent. Oh. A little sting mostly around my lips because my lips are really dry. Just gonna let that dry down and wash out the brush pretty quick. Like so. Let's see, where are we? Yeah, feels good. The last post-shave product is going to be the Unscented Skin Balm from Elysian. Really good, quick absorbing stuff. And let's see if I can get it out. Gonna go with that much. And this one has superb skin filtrate. That was a really nice shave. That was me done and dusted. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and until my next video, goodbye.